Okay, let's be real. We've all been there. You've got that perfect photo on your Android phone, and you need it on your Windows laptop, like right now. So what's the fastest way to get it there? Well, the answer is not only super simple, but it's also completely wireless.
Are you still doing that old email it to yourself dance? Or maybe you're digging through that drawer of tangled cables, just hoping to find the right one? You know the one. It's clunky, it's slow, and honestly, in this day and age, there's just a better way.
So today, we're going to fix that. We're going to explore some incredibly simple and powerful ways to send files from your phone to your PC. And the best part? Not a single wire in sight. It's time to go wireless.
All right, so where do we start? We're starting with the absolute best and easiest method for most of you. It's a fantastic tool called QuickShare. Seriously, if you're just moving files between your own personal devices, this is the one you're going to use 99% of the time.
So what exactly is QuickShare? Think of it as Google's official built-in tool for this exact job. It's really smart. It uses Bluetooth just to find your nearby devices, but then it uses your high-speed Wi-Fi to actually send the files. It's basically AirDrop, but for the Android and Windows world. It's a total game changer. Okay, let's get this set up. Go ahead and grab your phone, because this is going to be lightning fast. Just open up your settings, scroll down, and find the Google section. Then tap Devices and Sharing. You'll see QuickShare right there. Just tap it and make sure that little toggle is switched on. And that's it. Your phone is ready to go. Now, let's switch over to your PC. It's just as simple, I promise. Open up the Microsoft Store on your computer, search for the official QuickShare for Windows app, and hit Install. Once it's downloaded, just open it up. This is a one-time setup, so once you do this, you're golden. You won't have to think about it again. And now for the magic. On your phone, find any file you want to send. A photo, a video, a document, whatever. Tap the normal Share button, and you'll see QuickShare pop up as an option. Tap that, and your PC should appear almost instantly. Select it, a little notification pops up on your laptop, you click Accept, and boom, the file is there. I'm not kidding, it's unbelievably fast. But here's the curveball, right? What happens when you're on a work computer, or maybe you're at a friend's house using their laptop? You probably don't have permission to just install new apps like QuickShare. So, does that mean we have to go back to emailing ourselves? No, not at all. And this brings us to solution number 2, an amazing little tool called Snapdrop. This is your secret weapon for all those situations where you can't or just don't want to install any software.
You know, the absolute beauty of Snapdrop is its simplicity. It requires no apps, no accounts, no setup whatsoever. As long as both of your devices have a web browser and they're on the same Wi-Fi network, you're ready to go. It's that easy.
So here's how it works. On both your laptop and your phone, just open up any web browser and go to snapdrop.net. The second you do, the two devices will just see each other. It's awesome. Your phone will show a unique, sometimes kind of funny, name for your laptop. Just tap that name, pick your file, and it's on its way across. Okay, so we've got our go-to tool, QuickShare, and a fantastic no-install backup with Snapdrop. But let's round out our toolkit, right? Let's add 2 more methods that are super useful in very specific situations. Think of these as our specialists. First up, the cloud. Using something like Google Drive is perfect when it's not just about a quick transfer. You upload it from your phone, and then you can download it on your PC. But the real benefit, that file is now available everywhere, on any device, anytime you need it. It's your go-to for universal access and for safekeeping. But what about that worst-case scenario? Let's say there's no Wi-Fi, no internet connection at all. You're totally offline, but you still need to get that file over. Well, in that situation, we turn to an old but still reliable friend, Bluetooth. Now, we need to be really clear about the trade-off here. Bluetooth has one massive advantage. It needs absolutely zero internet. But that comes at a huge cost, speed. We're talking very slow. So forget about sending large video files. But for a single photo or a small document, it's that dependable last resort that will always get the job done. So we've looked at 4 different methods. You now have a complete wireless toolkit at your disposal. And the real key, the real power, is knowing which tool to pull out of the box for the job at hand. Let's just break it down really quick. For daily use, between your own devices, QuickShare is your champion. It's super fast. If you're on a work PC or a friend's computer, Snapdrop is your zero-install hero. Need to access that file anywhere, on any device, maybe a week from now? Google Drive is the answer. And if you're completely offline with no internet, slow and steady Bluetooth wins the race. So really, the big takeaway here is that you are no longer stuck with just one clumsy method. You're now equipped with a whole range of options. You can look at your situation, where you are, what you're doing, and just pick the perfect tool for that exact moment.
And that kind of leaves us with one final question to think about. Now that wireless transfers are this fast, this easy, and this accessible, what's the future for that old USB cable? For just moving files around, has it finally officially become a thing of the past? Something to chew on. Thanks for tuning in.